Kuia tēnei ko te pō whakamutunga I mua I te tukinga o ngā kāwharu o te ao riki a pōpō. E toru ngā tākoro ka tū ki wainganui ngā kapariki o Aotearoa me ngā kapariki o Ahitreiria. Hei tā te rina kōwhai e rika ana ngā kiwi me ngā rarauhe kiwi ki te turaki I o rātou tauaro no Ahitreiria. He tauaro e pupuri ana I ngā papatūtanga o te ao.
He wā hou mō ngā wāhine I roto I te ao riki.
Obviously both teams and coming together now and coming off we're all match fit and being able to bring all those experiences after being in an NRL club and playing in that semi-professional competition to bring all of that and now use it for our respective countries is huge.
Koinei te tukinga ki whenua kē tuatahi ma te kapa rarauhe kiwi me te kapa Jillaroos whai muri I te whakatūwheratanga o te whakataitai wāhine riki NRL.
Both organisations are taking the game seriously and it's really proud for us, people that have been involved for a very long time, and I know the girls don't take the responsibility of being involved with both the men and the women lightly.
Ai rā, he whakatupuranga hou e ki te ana ki ngā kapa e rua, hei tā te kāpene hou o te kapa kiwi, he mea whakamiharo ki te kapa, te noho tahi mo te roanga o te wiki kia whakakaha ake I te wairua whakawhanaunga.
Representing these boys in this country, yeah, it's starting to sink in now, and I think with the captain's run, we have a lot of leaders in the team. I mean, I'm the one who has a C next to my name, but at the end of the day, we've got boys like Jared and Jess and that who help lead as well. And Bully and Roger, and their support has meant a lot, and it's helped me grow in confidence in leading these boys tomorrow.
To see all the boys walk into camp and all get along, and obviously once you get to know someone, it's about building relationships, and I think our team to be able to build stronger relationships is one thing that we want to make sure that we take moving forward.
Ko ngā torekai huruhuru nei a Brandon Smith rawa ko Joseph Manu, ka noho hei whakamaunga kanohi mo te tini.
The training has actually been, I'm very comfortable with where we're at training-wise, but obviously now it's about our focus into the game and the connections that they've had, and we've obviously got a few players that haven't played with each other, so we've been able to spend a fair bit of time through this week just building that connection.
Hei a pōpō ka pakanga ai nei kapa e rua me te kapa kiwi teina I te taumā heke rautingi ki te pā o Rarotonga. Te rina kōwhai, te karere.